animal has largest brain in the world? Sperm whale. How far can an owl rotate its head? 270 degree. The age of a lion can be determined from its color of nose. One-horned rhino is found in India. What is the scientific name of Bengal tiger? Panthera tigris tigris. Which animal can create the loudest sound among any living creature? Humpback whales. Which animal has no vocal cords? Giraffes. Which animal is shown on the logo of WWF? Panda. Arctic tern birds makes migration each year between Antarctica and Greenland. On which continent llamas are found? South America. Bye bye friends. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.